Welcome to Coffee Break, the only show on the internet that lasts exactly one coffee. Today's episode, I'll be talking about giving back as a photographer. Roll it.
Well, while riding, I think of a day. At work, I just take time, and all through my coffee break time.
The thing is, with giving back as a photographer, it's something that you have to start doing, and it's something that you always should be doing. Don't just try to charge for your photos. Don't just always think that you're going to get paid $1 million for each photo that you take. The best thing that you can do is not only to make yourself feel great, but to make other people feel great, is to give to them. Give your photos, especially something like what I'm doing with this photo here. This one, I don't know if you can definitely see that one, cool. I'm giving this photo away to someone. I woke up at 3:30 in the morning for this photo, drove about 45 minutes, stood on the road facing this bridge with huge trucks passing me, shaking my tripod. It took me a solid 2 hours to get this one photo. But I'm going to give it away for free, and that's because the Washington Environmental Council, who's been giving me a scholarship for 4 years, has been giving me a scholarship to go to school for 4 years. Now, I could just take that and go away like every other person has done for them. It's really good coffee. Now, I have been giving away photos all throughout my college career to different places and different people. And the idea behind it is more people will see it. So what I've been doing is putting it in front of people and asking people to just hang it up and put my name on it somewhere. I'm not going to charge you for it. And my name is now going to be in front of, instead of that one person, 10 people, 100 people, 1,000 people. It's a great thing to do to really get yourself out there. Which photos should you give away? Which one do you feel comfortable giving away? Is the real question you should be asking yourself, because there are photos that I've taken that I love and I adore and I want to keep to myself because they have either sentimental meaning or there's something that I did a lot more work for than I'm ready to give away and I want to actually charge someone for it. You take a photo like this guy, who I've had printed up just in my spare time with Ione. This is the deer that I've gotten super close to, and I tracked that one deer down for like 3 days because it kept going through my lawn, and eventually I finally caught up to him. That photo to me is worth a lot of money, and it's not something I'm really going to want to give away. Show's running out. Once you pick the photo that you want to give away, you got to put it to the right person. Don't give a photo of a city like skyline to someone that lives in the woods probably, or someone that's in a part of the Washington Environmental Council, I'm guessing, because they're going to want to see more of nature stuff. Hence why I'm giving this away. This is a hiking trail that's that's pretty famous. Goes all the way around this river, goes up and down mountains, and it has this one bridge that's kind of iconic. So that's why I'm giving it to them. Now, if you have a picture of the city skyline, it's absolutely gorgeous, and you're trying to figure out someone to give this away to so your name can get out there, think just people that you know. It could be a gift to a friend. Now, you don't have to be printing your photos to give them away. It could be something as just volunteering. I used to volunteer at the Waterville Area Humane Society. I think that's what its actual title was. We just all call it the Waterville Humane Society. But I used to take my time every Saturday, every other Saturday or so. I'd go in for about 3 hours and take pictures of all the cats, the rabbits, the dogs, the snakes, any animal they had in there to help them get adopted. You could do something for just a local daycare. You can do just volunteer work for if people are working on a trail system around you. Take some photos of it for their Facebook page. It could even be a store. It's also something that you can do just to get your name out there, and you get seen as a person that's willing to give. And people like that. I got about one sip left. So now, to wrap this up, the idea behind giving away your photos and your photography is not just to make people seem to like you more, to make you seem greater than another person. It's the idea of pushing yourself to get out there and do the right thing in a way. Helping another small business can help you in the long run because they can share your name and you can get other gigs. If you're looking at me going, well, what if another person wants these photos for free because I just gave them away for free to another person? Don't worry about that. If your photos are good, very professionally done, and the people respect you, they're not going to have a problem charging when your photos can speak for themselves. Well, that's it. That is episode 1 of Coffee Break. Tell me what you guys think about giving away or donating or volunteering your photography. I think it's a great thing to do, and I think that can really push you as a photographer. Thanks again for watching. I'll talk to you guys next Coffee Break.